My name is Diego and I am presenting the second tool of Terra Antiqua. It's called Set Paleoshorelines. In this video, you will see a summary of this tool's functionality, step-by-step indications to use it, and some special considerations and important parameters. In the Terra Antiqua YouTube channel, you will find similar videos for the other tools. They are also accessible from the manual. Set Paleoshorelines is a primary tool. This means it's part of the main reconstruction workflow. It's meant to take the compiled raster that is the output of compiled topobathymetry and reposition the shorelines. Click on the icon of the tool and the dialog pops up. The text on the right will help you understand the parameters. It has detailed information about everything you see here. On the left, there are the input files and the parameters. If you click Help on the lower left-hand corner, you will go to the manual. This is a static website with all the information about Terra Antiqua and step-by-step indications for each tool. Here you have all the info about the tools, warnings, guiding tips, or technical details. It works as a complement of the help text in the tools dialog I showed before. This is the page for Set Paleoshorelines. For the rest of this video, I will follow these step-by-step indications. Feel free to pause this video at any moment and take your time to read these paragraphs and the help text on the tool, since they are much more detailed and include some specific recommendations. The input files you need for this consist of the compiled raster that you obtain from the compiled topobathymetry tool and a set of polygons defining the paleoshorelines. You can obtain these polygons from published sources and/or draw them yourself according to proxies such as fossil occurrences or other geological data. The polygons I'm using here are from the sample data bundle for a global 30 MA reconstruction. You can download the data bundle from the manual website. Select the raster file with the DEM and the shapefile with the polygons for paleoshorelines. Then you can choose between two modification modes. This will determine how the algorithm handles the areas where the shoreline will be corrected. Look in the help text on the right to see the differences. Besides, in step 4 of the manual, there is a detailed comparison between both modes and recommendations on how to decide which one to use. Please note these warnings about rescaling and interpolation modes. If you encounter the problems mentioned here, there are solutions proposed. Please read this carefully, and if your problem is not solved, you can check the troubleshooting section or use the contact form to let us know about your issue. Once it's all set, you can either define an output file path or use the default one, which will create a file in the temporary folder of your system. This is the result. You can see the new shorelines corresponding to the edge of the polygons we entered. Now the map is ready for the next step. We can move away from the shoreline to deal with the continent's interior.